We're gonna have a
Pick up did you guys pick up everything? Look at all that stuff over there. Ava, hurry up if you want me to light it. But come on, wrap it up, because we're going to bed shortly, so put all that stuff away. Do you want me to light this? Okay, but I want the blanket picked up and everything else.
Okay.
Hurry up. Hey, Bridget or Ava, one of you guys go in and tell Mom and Nana to come out. You guys ready?
Yeah. Dad, you're gonna burn yourself.
No, I'm getting out of the way. I hope not. I have 2 more. Should we do another?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Did you like that, Michael?
No.
You didn't like it?
No.
Well, I thought you would like it. What'd you think? Darlene, what did you think?
Dad, do it.
They sold it to the grocery store. I mean, it was at Target, actually.
Dad, do it.
All right, hang on.
Bob, they're going to get your mom. Can you shut the door?
Yeah. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Is that Tiff?
Look at the sprinkling.
I hope Tiff's coming out. You guys ready?
Yep.
Mom's watching. Is he lighting me?
I thought I had it.
Wait, Dad. Dad might be alive.
The wind
Mommy
keeps...
was doing that heat yell.
Boom!
Sorry, buddy.
We can't leave the 4th of July fireworks on weekend.
Did you guys like that?
Yeah, I loved it. It was exciting.
Hey, hon.
Last one, Bob.
I have one more. Do you think you're coming back on, or do you think you just stay with it for a minute? Okay. Bridgie, no, it's hot. It's hot. Get away from that. Don't you do that. Okay, everybody stay away from it.
What if there were like two, and then we were like in one here, 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 two were behind her, she was sitting right here, and then the waves were like swaying.
Oh.
You girls stand
Wait,
closer
windy. I
together.
gotta wait for the wind to stop.
Why?
Hold on.
Why can't? Do you have to wait?
Hey,
for
Bob, wait. Before you do that, move it up further so Salada's family can see it.
Ding dong. Or maybe he's a little.
Okay.
Red, and he's a little.
Okay, you ready?
Up, cops, look natural.
Cops are up there.
Oh, good.
No, it's like cops.
All right, you three girls stand closer together.
Bridgie, stand over by Salada.
And when it goes off, I'm going to take your picture while you're jumping up and down. No, Bridget, you're out of the
Bridget.
picture.
Woohoo!
Bidgie.
Bridget, out of the way.
Come on back here, Bridget.
Bridget, you're out of the picture. I can't take the picture.
Nana, back up.
No, she's fine. You just let her stay where she wants. Okay, it's got a little more left.
Okay.
That's all she wrote.
Happy Father's Day!
Was that fun? Whoa!